Hi, I'm Bridget from Crosby's. Today I'm sharing a recipe that's perfect for those weeknights when you feel too busy to cook. It's from my friend Jeanette, and she has two very young children, and she proves that with the right recipes you really can eat well on a weeknight. Few main dishes cook faster than fish, and with a glaze that takes just a few minutes to put together, the overall prep time for this recipe is next to nothing. Since it's a rich tasting fish, salmon can handle the extra flavor of the molasses soy glaze. A little honey helps to round out the sweetness, and garlic adds a nice flavor punch. This recipe comes together quickly, so be sure to have your ingredients ready before you start. In a small bowl, whisk together the molasses, honey, and soy sauce. Warm a sturdy fry pan over medium to medium-high heat and add the oil and butter. Swirl to coat the pan, then add the salmon, skin side up. Sear for 3 to 4 minutes, then flip and cook another couple of minutes. Remove the salmon from the pan and set it aside. Then add the orange juice and garlic to the pan. Stir to combine and scrape up any brown bits from the bottom of the pan. When the liquid is slightly reduced, add the molasses honey soy mixture. Stir and let it simmer for a minute until it gets a little syrupy. Return the salmon to the pan, skin side down, along with any juices it released. Spoon over the sauce and continue cooking until the salmon is done. Drizzle the remaining sauce over the salmon once it has been plated. For more easy and delicious molasses recipes, make sure you subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.